complete maintenance service. I was involved in this type of business for the last 30 years. And in '99, I founded CAM Services.
We're a commercial property maintenance company, family business. Started with a few small divisions, and in the past years have just grown to 14 different divisions, doing a little bit of everything. When I came aboard and our family business started running the operations, we started growing, and I've always wanted a bigger facility, and I grew up doing mechanics and working on stuff, and so I always wanted a full mechanic shop and facility and everything. So building this whole place was just like building a dream place to work.
The building that was here wasn't adequate. We needed a big shop facility, and we also needed some outer buildings for supplies, maintenance materials, things like that. At that time, we contacted Sunward and proceeded to get some ideas on expanding the building for a shop area and maintenance facility. Basically, the buildings I've purchased from Sunward, we get turnkey products.
We had additional insulation, windows, doors. So we put an overhead crane beam in, which was a total custom deal that we wanted, and they stepped right in with the engineers, figured out all the engineering for it with I think it was a 4-ton hoist we wanted on there. So adding that in was easy, and they built it right into the plans.
The buildings are great. We've had no issues with the building at all. None of the buildings I've purchased in the past, we've never had an issue with it. That's why I continue to purchase them.
Overall quality is great. Great structural steel with great coatings on it that prevent rust, and obviously will have a long life. And the outside looks fantastic, and it's very durable.
We wanted the end look to be somewhat industrial, but also comfortable. And we wanted to have more of a higher end feeling here for when we bring customers. At our old building, we would do whatever we could to avoid having to bring customers there because it was purely functional. And here, we're functional, we're operational, and we're also, we can be welcoming. And the inside and outside of our building now truly shows the inside and outside of our business.
We did have an issue with our foundation folks and our engineers. The bolt pattern for the beams were actually off, but with the help of Sunward, we were able to correct that and get the building up. There was an engineering fault, but they were out here and helped us correct that problem.
I would definitely recommend them. Like I said, it's a great product, great building. It's well built, and even from putting it up, building and erecting it was simple. They have a great marking system, and they're matching their plans where things go. So absolutely would recommend them.
I would recommend Sunward. The response when we had a problem is great. I think the pricing, they were in line with everybody else in our other bids. The steel and the quality of the building is superior, I believe.
The biggest thing I can point out, their customer service side of things was fantastic. Being a customer service company, we really like good customer service and also quality. This is, we're not building this for someone else. This was our building for our facility and our business, so we wanted something that was going to last a long time.